friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I like to recommend a share which I had already recommended 1 month back. I think that it is better to recommend a share which I had already recommended if it comes down to a fair price. There is no need to recommend every new share every week. So this time I am going to recommend the company I had already recommended. The name of the company is Shriram Transport Finance Company. I had already given a detailed analysis about Shriram Transport Finance Company 1 month back. Still I am going to tell what are the factors on the basis of which I recommended Shriram Transport Finance Company to my subscribers. Firstly, it is from a good management space, very reliable company. It is very famous company. It's well known to every Indians, just like Reliance Industries. It is the flagship company of Shriram Group. Shriram Group had already have another company in finance space, to the two-wheeler finance space. The name of the company is Shriram City Finance Company. The share is traded above 1000 rupees. In case of Shriram Transport Finance Company, this company is giving finance to the commercial vehicle segment, which was a very good business in India. But due to COVID reasons, this business is affected. That's why the share price was comes down a little bit. But there is no need to share to be traded at this low rate. From its high of 1360 rupees, it comes down to 420 rupees on March due to COVID reason. From that level, it goes up and go to 792 level 3 weeks back, and again it's got corrected. I will explain to you why this correction is coming. Okay. Before that, let us check the fundamentals itself. I recommend that share 4 weeks before at the rate of 705 rupees. And the share has gone to 792 rupees after my recommendation. After 2 or 3 weeks, it go to 790 rupees after 1 week, I think so. After that, again it corrected down to 660 level, now which is trading at 647 rupees. So if anyone sell the share on high rate, it's very good. They can again enter into this share at this rate. If someone is holding to the share, they can still hold on the share. And if anyone is new subscriber to the channel, can enter this share at this rate, because you can't get this share at this rate. This is a good opportunity for every investor to buy this share. Why? When we compare anything about the companies, everything is positive, nothing is negative. EPS of the company is very high. The most important factor is that it is trading below the book value of the company. The book value of the company is 780 rupees and it is traded below 640 rupees. So whenever any share is traded below its book value, below its intrinsic value, we have to keep an eye on it. What is happening in that share? So this share is very cheap. Moreover, promoters holding has 22% and FIRs, foreign institutional investors, are holding 74% stake in the company. Only after valuing a company, they will invest their money. So this is a second point. 64% shareholding is on the part of FIRs. It's a very good thing for the company. The business model of the company is very good. The latest result is also very good. When compared to last quarter of last year, there is some reduction in profit. It is normal because of COVID. The business of every sector is coming down. Because of that reasons, profit comes down. There is no loss for the company. But when we compare a financial company, the most important factor is collection, NPS, NPA, etc. So the NPA of the companies comes down, and they had collected 73% even in this COVID period. The management recently came in CNBC channel and said that They are confident that they can able to collect 90% of their money from the market on September-October period, which is very positive for the company. But all this positive news prevailing in the market, the share price of the company is coming down day by day. Whenever a small correction is happening, this share will be come down fast as possible when compared to other shares. So why this happening? That is the main point I am going to tell today. I am the main reason for giving this video about Shriram Transport Finance Company. So when we come to Bajaj Finance Company, actually it is not comparable because the Bajaj Finance market cap is very high. When compared to Bajaj Finance, Shriram Transport Finance market cap is very low. But Bajaj Finance is also comes down from 3,400 rupees to 850 rupees during COVID period. But again, it's rebound and now it is trading above its year high, above 3,400 rupees. But Shriram Transport is still below 50% below the all-time high. So that's why I am recommending this share. So let us look why this share is coming down. That's the main thing we have to look into the company. First reason is that there is an insider trading in the company. I feel so. There is so many opportunities are there in front of us. We can go to many channels, many sites are there. We can find out the shareholding budget, etc. So there is no difficulties in this situation. So when I go to site and check that, I happen to see that the employees of the companies are accumulating these shares. So there is something cooking in the company. Something good news are going to come out after 1 or 2 months. So what is insider trading? Simply, if anything positive things are going to happen in a company, anything positive, maybe bonus issues, dividend issues, or some fundraising fund, other business are going to accumulate, something like that. Whatever the good news are coming to the company, it must be first known to the promoters group. That's normal. At the same time, it will be the news will be available to the employees of the companies also. So employees, promoters, and they will give news to the speculators also. Some speculators they will give news, and the relatives of the employees also. So speculators will, what will the speculators do? They will try to hammer the company, hammer the price of the company below its intrinsic value. And when the share reach that level, they will accumulate that share at the lower price. So this is the main problem facing by the normal investors in the stock market. When a person identifies the company at the 800 rupees and he feels that it had the fundamentals to go to 1000 rupees. But when he buys the share, what happens? Every day the price of share will come down. So he will be totally confused why the share comes down. So when it comes down to below 600 rupees, he will sell the share. At that time, these people will accumulate those shares at the lower rate. So after 2 or 3 months, 1 or 2 months, this news will be come to the market, published in the market, and share price will goes up and cross 1,500 rupees. At that time, the normal shareholders will not have any share in their hands. This is the main thing happening in the market. Inside trading is there. So everything is fine and the share price is coming down. We have to look into the share, what is happening. We have to find what is really happening in the share. So I strongly recommend that on the basis of the accumulation of the share by the employees of the company, there is good news coming into the market and nothing wrong in the company. When we value the company, this is the cheapest available share in the market. It's a very good company. So please don't sell a single share of Shriram Transport Finance Company. Hold it tight. You can see that shares trading above 1,500 rupees in a month. This is my personal view. So please take advice from your personal advisor before keeping pushing this company based on my recommendation. I think this video will help all of you who hold the Shriram Transport Finance Company as well as those people who don't enter the Shriram Transport Finance Company. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. If you have any comment about my video, please put your comment on comment box. Thank you so very much.